Welcome to the IBM Security Lab Services video series. This video will show how to create organizational units using Excel load files within the Identity Governance 5.1.1 appliance. After the installation of the virtual appliance, the only organizational unit that exists is the Acme Corp unit. This video will show how we can use a load file to create the following organizational structure. We will modify the root container to be Acme only. We will create a sales and marketing subcontainer, each in turn containing a West and East organizational unit. We will download the template from the appliance, modify the template in an Excel spreadsheet, and then upload the data and create the new organizational unit containers. Open a browser and navigate to the appliance. Authenticate to the Central Administration Terminal as the admin user with the admin password. Select Access Governance Core. Select Groups. You will see the default container as it exists today, which is Acme Corp. Select Tools. Select Insert Organization Units. Select Download the XLS template. Save the file. Open the file using the Excel worksheet. You will see that the worksheet has 4 columns: a name column, a description column, a code column, which is the unique identifier for each organizational unit, and a parent code. The parent code references the organization container's parent by the unique code of that container. The first step we want to do is modify the root container. We do this by changing the name. Enter the name as Acme. The code for this is special and is always root and does not have a parent code. Create the remaining entries. Note that the code always has to be unique, whereas the name can have repetitive entries. Also note that the code is case sensitive. It is up to you to decide on what schematic you will use to define unique codes for each container. You then leverage these unique codes within the parent code entry as well. Save the file, return to the appliance, select Browse, select the file that you saved and modified. This will upload the file. You will see the status as pending. Refresh as required until you see the status as running or as complete. Once the file has been processed, you can navigate and look at the log file. In this instance, the log file shows as operation completed. If the input file had any errors, the line number in the error will be displayed in this file. Return to the console and select Manage. Select Groups. You now notice that the container has changed to Acme only. It also has 2 subcontainers called Marketing and Sales, and each subcontainer has additionally an East and West subcontainer. You can now use these organizational structure in order to assign policies or to assign users to these locations.